Look guys, I wanna show you my swimsuits. My beach attire, my beach outfit guys. Charan! Yan guys yung ating maroon color. Ayan, napakaganda. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Kanyang likuran. Ayan guys. Pack na pack. Ayan guys. And then meron siyang ano guys. Ayan, may tupis-tupis siya. Ayan yung ating pang beach outfit. Ayan yung kanyang ano guys. Yung kanyang. Ayan o. Medyo kinulang lang tayo guys. Pero pack na pack yan. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. Susuot din natin to guys yung kanyang ano, yung kanyang palda-palda. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan po. Ayan, ano to, isa to sa kanyang ano guys. Ayan, yung ternong maroon natin. Maroon color. Ayan guys. Ayan yung kanyang ano guys, pa-slit-slit siya. Ayan po. I really love it. Ayan guys, yung kanyang kinalalabasan. Ayan, pa-slit-slit siya guys. Pack. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan guys, o diba? Ayan, feel na feel ko na naman yung pagrampa ko guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan. O diba guys, ayan, this is my fashion. I really love it. Ayan, for only, ano siya guys, 300 pesos. Ayan, 3-in-1 na siya guys. 3-in-1 na siya. Look, ayan, ganda niya guys. Oh. I really love it. Taran, pack na pack yan. Feeling model na naman ako guys. Ayan. Sa ganito lang guys, ayan. Tuwang-tuwa na ako. Dahil, ayan, this is my fashion. And guys, yung ating likuran. O diba, ready na naman ako sa aking, ayan, pagbe-beach. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack.